I be discussing the Korean drama The Penthouse War in Live Season 1. Next. Di bawain dulu. Next. Diturunin kursornya. The beginning of revenge, the end, the secret band Heracles. Trigger, the tragic death of Min Sel-ah. Core focus, 3 women, Soo Ryan, Seojin, Yoon-hee, and Crooked Ambition. Genre, magazine, extreme drama, and thriller. Season 1 in the foundation of the story that will define everything. Here, we are introduced to the society of Heracles, a tower of luxury harboring the darkest secrets. The entire conflict is tragedy by a single tragedy argues that which collectively can sail by the elites refine their corrupt morality as they desperately to maintain social status. Next. Tragedy and conspiracy of Heracles. Key figure Judenty, architect of lies and Soo Ryan's main target. Fictive Min Sel-ah, Soo Ryan's biological daughter. Action film from the top floor of the penthouse. Cover up all residents conspired by Judenty to destroy the evidence. After Sel-ah failed, these VIP residents immediately conspired, proving that their power enabled them to cover up even the most horrifying crimes. The action of 3 women, revenge, ambition, and rivalry. The first in Soo Ryan, a wealthy woman, we become the queen of the penthouse. After learning her husband Judenty takes their secret and her daughter that changed her entire life to take revenge against everyone involved. The second, Cheo Seon-jin, an arrogant opera singer born in a wealthy family. She is driven by limitless ambition to be the best and gain power, even sacrificing her own daughters. The third, Oh Yoon-hee. Coming from a poor family, she forced her to enter society for the sake of her daughter's future. She has a long-standing rivalry with Chang Seo-jin since their school days. Betrayal and a shocking ending. Oh Yoon-hee is involved. Oh Yoon-hee was initially involved in Min Sel-ah's death while under the influence of alcohol. In an emotional and ambitious state, she forced Sel-ah, causing her to fall from the penthouse. She initially suffered from amnesia, but her memory returned, revealing that she was one of the persons responsible for the tragedy of fatal betrayal to her early Sim Soo Ryan. Sim Soo Ryan is dead. Sim Soo Ryan was murdered by her own husband, Judenty, in the penthouse. Her death occurred at the peak of Soo Ryan's 5 reference plate and the trip set by Judenty. After murdering Soo Ryan, Judenty framed of Yoon-hee as the preparator, placing a knife in Yoon-hee's hand, thereby successfully eliminating both of the biggest enemies at once. This death became a shocking and tragedy plot twist at the end of season 1. the victory of evil. At the end of season 1, Zhu Denti achieved absolute victory by murdering Shin Shuran and the friend of Yun Hee for the crime, sending her person along with Xiao Seljin and the residents of Heracles. They successfully eliminated all threats, separate their status and hidden crimes, and assert absolute dominance in Heracles through lies and fears. Ambition and reference of the central conflict figures. This is Shin Shuran, driven by deep reverence for the tragic death of her daughter Min Xiao and her husband's betrayal. She completely transformed herself. She became a cool and clever architect of reference, dedicated to the storytelling all Heracles residents involved. This is Oh Yun Hee, initially collaborating with Shuran to enter the elite circle. Her old ambition and long-standing rivalry with Xiao Seljin since their school days ultimately led her to make a fatal decision posing himself. This is Xiao Seljin, driven by limitless ambition for power, status, and excellence in everything from her operative career to social status. She is actively attempts to bring down anyone who stands in her way, including her old rival Oh Yun Hee, and even uses her own daughter Hee Eun Beo is a tool to maintain her prestige and dominance. Okay, this is Zhu Denti. Driven by absolute power and greed, he only cares about social status and financial gain. His actions involve acting as the main mastermind of the conspiracy, being responsible for the cover of the Minxiao case, and ultimately becoming Shinsuran's murdering in order to mention his dominance in Heracles. This is Min Xiao. Min Xiao is the central victim, was that became the main catalyst for all conflict in the Penthouse season 1. She is Shin Shuran's biological daughter, who tragically died after falling from the penthouse when she accidentally learned to the secret of the elite residence. Her death was immediately covered up through massive conspiracy led by Zhu Denti, making it the primary season for the relevance that drives Shin Shuran through the story. The legacy of revenge in Heracles. The Penthouse season 1 was a huge success because in the part a reflection of a society obsessed with wealth. The story includes with a hub of mysterious. If Shin Shuran is dead, those Minxiao are revenge and or half-deaths, betrayals, and less merely sown the seed for a new, greater revenge. Season 2 promises a resurgence and retribution that will bring us back to Heracles, where no crime can remain hidden. Continue to season 2.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Papa. Pak, stop.
Udah.
Oke, mungkin ya ini season 1 dari saya, nanti akan dijelaskan lagi season 2-nya. Terima kasih.